Content which will force you to think. Knowledge which will enhance your thoughts. Quality which will focus your control. Here we are with our 1 year of thoughts which has literally no control. The team of Thought Control works like a family. They have shown their true dedication to our channel. Mr. Vijay Yadav, a personality with multiple talents and multiple characters on screen, always boosted the channel in his own style. Mr. Mahesh Mishra is the backbone and manager of the team. Editing, marketing, writing, graphics, each and every team is working on their guidance so that Thought Control keep generating stuffs that is mixture of Gyan, of course I mean knowledge, Pyar, yes, that teenager type love, Vigyan, which takes you on a tour of universe, Shorts and Reel, which literally has freewheel. In the first 3 months, right off the start, Thought Control went strong and didn't compromise on delivering quality content. Our goal has always been to deliver versatile facts and curious stories that gave our viewers an informative and enticing experience. That's why they showed their love with thousands of views and helping us touch over 5 lakh views twice with our titles about robots taking up employment and nature versus nurture, which showed the scientific interest of our audience. We made diverse stories about famous personalities such as Harshad Mehta, Jim Jones, Niki Lauda, VP Menon, Baji Raut, Ada Lovelace, Beethoven, and Marie Curie, and we talked about events and lifestyle with mind-blowing and skin-crawling stories about the supernatural and eye-opening videos about science.
From November to January, the channel has tried to create interesting content of different genres, from history to success stories, to biography to amazing facts, to brand reviews to plenty of others which have made your favorite Thought Control reaching closer to you. The few videos which have done extremely well are how robots are stealing human jobs and threatening our jobs, 639k views, Twin Study Psychology, Nature versus Nature, 560k views, Is Politics Becoming a New Religion? 374k views.
Well, in February, Thought Control started with a video about lava versus ice and gained about 1.4k views. You always appreciate our effort. A like and a comment from you always cheers us to do more.
We made more interesting videos titled Why Don't Sheep Shrink in Rain? How does the internet work? What is inside a camel hump? How to control your dreams? Not only this, we also tried to help you by introducing you to new things and made videos like how does FASTag work? How does Google Pay work? How and why ads follow you on the internet? We gained over 60,000 views between February to April.
Well, in June to August, we reached from why you need to use menstruation cups to Mr. Beer Biceps. The videos received 51.3k views, and the most loved video in the month of May, why you should have more sex, with 9.4k views.
Can you test positive after COVID vaccine? Top 5 flying car models. Top 5 UFO sightings from 1964 to 2021. In June, the top flying car model is leading with 4.6k views. After that, top 5 significance of the UFO with 3.2k views. In July, the most run video is the Mr. Beer Biceps video with 9.2k views. After that, I Am Mr. Bean is leading with 5.9k views. Short clips with most views and must watch. Why are dreams weird and how to remember them when you wake up? Indian history facts, inventions and discoveries. Did Titanic actually sink?
We, as the Thought Control team, have created history and historical facts, biography, amazing facts, brand reviews, universe and space, YouTubers, scientific story, horror stories, health and care tips for COVID-19, events, lifestyle and stories. It is you who makes us complete. Hope this 21k family will grow together in the future. Till then, keep losing control with Thought Control.